Ramp will analyze your financials to determine a tailored limit for you. Often it's far beyond what a traditional corporate card would offer. We're talking about limits that often start around $50,000 and scale up to $1 million. And you can be approved in less than 48 hours. Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Today's video is for business owners who are tired of being boxed into small credit limits. If you've ever hit a wall during a product launch, you missed out on an early payment discount, or you struggle to scale during peak seasons, then this video is definitely for you. We're talking about 6 high-limit business cards, and not just any cards. We're talking about the ones that unlock real spending power, the kind of power that adapts with your company and can actually help you scale instead of slow you down. Here's an unpopular truth that you won't hear from most traditional banks. Credit limits can quietly kill your momentum. And as an entrepreneur, we're trained to think of limits as a safety net, a way to spend responsibly. But in business, a small credit limit doesn't just keep you safe, it keeps you very small. Say a vendor offers you a 5% discount if you pay a $45,000 invoice early. With a high limit card, you could save $2,250 instantly. With a $20K credit limit, you're missing out and you're going to pay more. I ran into this personally when I was scaling my Amazon FBA business. We had inventory that was selling quickly, but at the time I only had access to low limits. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to make more money during one of the biggest months of the year. And that's not smart finance. It's just a lost opportunity. And it's not just about saving money. It's about not wasting your time. If you're juggling 5 cards, manually tracking balances, or requesting credit limit increases every 6 months, you're pulling attention away from what really matters, the growth of your business. That's why getting a business card with real headroom, one that grows with you, isn't just convenience, it's a strategy. Most traditional business cards from major banks offer credit limits that range anywhere between $50,000 to around $250,000. On the other hand, there are some cards that are designed for modern businesses. Cards that connect directly with your business bank account and look at your cash balance, spending activity, and scale accordingly with the growth of your business. Ramp is a standout example here. What sets it apart is the ability to offer significantly higher limits, often 20 to 30 times what you get with a traditional bank card. It does this by evaluating your actual cash flow, not just your credit report. There are also other charge cards like the American Express Gold or the Platinum, and Chase's Ink Business Premier card, which don't come with the preset limit. Instead, they adjust based on your usage and payment history, but that doesn't mean you'll automatically get a large amount of spending power. You still have to pay the balance in full every month, and your real limit can be a mystery until you actually test it. Lastly, we've got corporate cards meant for massive enterprises. Now, these cards are managed by full account teams and can offer multi-million-dollar spending capabilities, but they're usually overkill for small to medium-sized businesses. So in short, what makes a card high limit isn't just the raw number, it's about how that number gets set, and more importantly, how fast can it grow with your business. Before we get into our 6 high limit business credit cards, let's talk about what lenders look for in high limit approvals. Now, let's be honest, lenders aren't just handing out high limit cards for no reason. Traditional banks want a strong personal credit profile, usually with a 700 plus FICO score, and typically banks require you to have a US-based operation with a federal tax ID, a US address, and the basic legal structure, which is all pretty standard. It's also recommended to have a business bank account as well. Now, let's dive into the cards that deliver the most value for high spending businesses. Number 1 on our list will be the Ramp Business Card. Now, this is the blueprint for how a modern business card should work. You can apply in minutes by linking your business account, and Ramp will analyze your financials to determine a tailored limit for you. Often it's far beyond what a traditional corporate card would offer. We're talking about limits that often start around $50,000 and scale up to $1 million. And you can be approved in less than 48 hours. This card is number 1 on our list for a reason. Now, Ramp comes with built-in spend control, real-time policy enforcement, unlimited physical and virtual cards, and deep accounting software integrations. There is no annual fees, there's no foreign transaction fees or late fees. Plus, you get cash back on every purchase and up to $350,000 in partner discounts. Instead of pulling your personal credit score, Ramp connects directly to your business bank account. Then it looks at your cash flow and business performance to determine your spending power. Ramp is ideal for businesses that have solid cash flow and want to scale responsibly. If you're making at least $25,000 a month in funds and want a smarter, cleaner way to manage business expenses, then Ramp is a no-brainer. Now, it's not a revolving credit line. You do need to pay your balance in full each month. But if your business is already financially healthy, that's actually a benefit. It keeps you cash focused. This high limit card is very unique among business cards today. That makes this an ideal choice for businesses that want to amplify their growth without the constraints of traditional credit limits. So if you're interested in the ramp card and you want to apply, the link is down in the description. I highly recommend that you check it out. Number 2 on our list is the Chase Ink Business Premier Credit Card. The Chase Ink Business Premier Card offers a high credit limit and a solid reward structure. You can earn 2.5% cash back on purchases over $5,000 and 2% on all other business purchases. There is a welcome bonus offer that's worth $1,000 after $10,000 in spending over the first 3 months. And Chase scores with no foreign transaction fees. The card includes a flex for your business, allowing you to pay off large eligible purchases over time with low rates, which does add a little more flexibility. But the card does have a high annual fee and it does lack advanced expense tools. You will be required to do a lot of your bookkeeping manually. Number 3 on our list is the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Spark Cash Plus is a charge card, meaning no preset spending limit, and you earn unlimited cash back on all purchases with no caps or categories. It has a $150 annual fee unless you spend $150,000 annually. Now, if you meet this spend threshold, you'll receive a $150 statement credit. The pros of this card is that you pay no interest, but balances must be paid in full every single month. It integrates decently with accounting tools and doesn't charge foreign transaction fees as well. On the flip side though, there aren't any advanced controls and the high spend requirement to waive the annual fee can be a bit steep. Number 4 on our list is the American Express Business Platinum Card. This corporate version of the American Express Platinum is for heavy travel and big ticket expenses. There's no preset limit and it adapts to your business. You can earn premium rewards on large purchases and travel with annual credits exceeding $1,000 for business purposes. You also gain access to the Amex Centurion lounges and Priority Pass, and you can transfer membership points to 15 plus airlines and hotel programs. However, the extreme high annual fee makes it worthwhile only if you consistently spend on travel or large purchases. You need excellent credit and non-travel redemptions do have a lower value. Number 5 on our list is the Capital One Venture X Business Card. This charge card matches its consumer counterpart, but for business. There's no preset limit and you can earn 2 to 10x miles depending on the category. You get a welcome bonus parameterized as travel value, an annual travel credit, lounge access, and the extended credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck. Miles never expire and you can transfer them to 15 plus travel partners. You also need to pay for your balance monthly. Because the travel card only works through Capital One Travel and the annual fee is high, you'll need to maximize perks. Successful applicants need strong cash flow and excellent credit. Number 6 on our list is the American Express Blue Business Plus Card. If you're looking for a low-cost entry point, the Blue Business Plus offers no annual fee, earning 2x points on up to $50,000 in monthly purchases, then it's 1x after that. It also has a 12-month 0% APR period and flexible purchasing power through its expanded buying power feature. This card is best for consistent spend patterns under the credit limit. It lacks travel perks, foreign reward features, or a high limit capacity. You don't get lounge access, which may be important for some businesses, but you can focus more on budgeting than benefits here. The right high limit business card does more than just increase your spending power. It removes roadblocks. It gives you time, it gives you clarity and the confidence to grow without wondering if your card can keep up. Traditional cards serve a purpose. Charge cards from Amex and Capital One are great for flexibility, but I believe if you're serious about scaling and want your credit tools to match your ambition, Ramp does offer a compelling high limit card solution that simplifies everything without sacrificing power. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial breakdowns that help you run your business better. Drop a comment and let me know which one of these cards that you've tried and the experience that you've had thus far. And definitely check out the link in the description to apply for the Ramp card if you are interested. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and you have a wonderful day.